So let's start with today's analysis. Today is September 11th, Thursday, and today we have the CPI plus unemployment claims. So today is a very important trading day. Gold gains momentum to near 3650, focus on US CPI release. The precious metal edges higher on expectations of a US Federal Reserve interest rate cut, a weaker US dollar and global geopolitical risks. All eyes will be on the US Consumer Price Index. Israel airstrike in Qatar, though I have updated yesterday. This raises geopolitical risk plus a safe haven demand for gold. So here 5 Hamas members killed and 1 Qatari officer killed. Hezbollah threats adds fear of escalation in Middle East. Gulf stock markets fall. Investors shifting money into gold and oil. So Qatar, Saudi, UAE stock indices dropped after Israel's strike. Oil and gold prices surge. Crude oil spiked. Gold hit fresh records high. EU sanctions on Israel. EU leaders are considering sanctions on Israel after recent strikes. This adds further uncertainty for global market. Okay, so very important trading day. So let's move on to our chart. So this was our yesterday chart, and I already told you traders that we have this only resistance available in the market, and market took our resistance and also break past our trend line. So let's move on to today's chart analysis. So traders, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, so make sure you subscribe our channel for daily updates. So here first I have updated the previous day low and high. So let's move on to 4-hour time frame, and first I'll show you the trend line. So how I've drawn the trend line. So here you can see traders, from below you have to capture this whole demand, okay, from 22 this trend line, and from here this is one trend line, and from here this is one trend line. Okay, this is just for a reference purpose, just for a visual purpose. We are not following this trend line exactly, but this is just for a visual reference. Okay, so we were on 4-hour time frame, so we don't have anything on 4 hours. Let's move on to 2 hours, and all these levels are from yesterday itself. Okay, this is the daily level, and this is our 2-hour plus 4-hour level, which is very important. You can mark as it is. So I don't change my charts daily so that beginners don't get confused. Okay traders, we have already break past both the trend lines. So on the 2-hour time frame traders, as you can see, there's a pattern forming here. So whenever a bullish candle forms, bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing, continue. Okay, continuous bearish engulfing. Here also you can see bearish engulfing. So price is creating those sellers. So above we have a trend line, so you need to draw like this. Okay, so this trend line is also done. Okay traders, so as you can see we have these trend lines, and let's move on to 1-hour time frame. Okay, 1-hour time frame, and let's mark our resistance. Okay, so for today we have this resistance, and I've already told you that this is our previous day high and previous day low, the blue line. Okay traders, and currently the price is taking support from our level after liquidating. Okay traders, so why this is a liquidity level, I will explain you in short. So here as you can see traders, sellers started creating sell momentum. They started selling from here. A price spiked upside and liquidated the sellers, and then again it continued. Okay, so that becomes the stop loss. So those who are selling from these levels, so they have their stop losses here. So this is a very important zone 3657, because this is a whole liquidity pool. Okay traders, and below we can see here simple buying. Okay, simple buying, so people have the stop losses in these range. The market liquidated and the market is continuing upside. Okay, so I'll explain you how you need to trade today. So traders, pay attention, okay, and watch my full video traders, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for daily updates and also join our Telegram channel. So this could be a fake move, traders. Okay, so today no selling, and after this breakout the selling can be till here, this day, previous day low. So maybe if we liquidate this previous day low, and maybe we can continue again. Okay, for today you don't need to trade in the Asian and the Europe session, so please wait for the US session. I will update each and everything in my Telegram channel. Okay, so mark as it is resistance, support, and below we have this support, and this is the previous day low, previous day high. Okay, and this is a very simple analysis. Okay traders, so currently we are taking that support, and we have already break past the trend lines, both the trend lines. Okay, so simple support resistance mark, and today we are bullish. Okay, so our bias is bullish due to geopolitical risk that I have updated in today's video. So very simple traders, market is taking our support after liquidating, so we will be waiting until US session. Okay traders, so in the US session, before the US session I mean, I will update each and everything on my Telegram channel. Okay, so very simple analysis, we don't have anything else. Okay, so I don't want to confuse you traders. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, peace out.